Hi there, students. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan's an adjective. Yeah, it's also the name of a magazine. And I guess you could also use it as a noun. Although I might say a cosmopolite as a noun. Okay, cosmopolitan means common to the whole world. Yeah, let's see, if you say a person is cosmopolitan, yeah, he's a very cosmopolitan person. He has experiences from many different countries, from many different parts of the world, and therefore is able to see things in different ways and understand other cultures. You could call a place cosmopolitan. So London's a pretty cosmopolitan city. There are people and things from all over the world. Yeah, you can probably find almost any type of food in a city that is as cosmopolitan as London. Yeah, so cosmopolitan. I think maybe Spanish cities are becoming more cosmopolitan, but they're still much more insular than the cosmopolitan city of London. So notice insular as an opposite of it. Okay, so yes, somebody, a cosmopolitan or cosmopolitan person, somebody who has a lot of contact with people and things from many different countries. Yeah, they're sophisticated, they're worldly, they're refined, they're cultured, they're open to different ideas or different ways of doing things. Yeah, they're very urbane and sophisticated. Yeah, urbane, good word. They have interests and are familiar with many different parts of the world. In ecology, you could use cosmopolitan to talk about a plant or an animal that's distributed all over the world. So I guess the pigeon is cosmopolitan. You'll probably find it in any country in the world. Yeah, cosmopolitan, not tied down by local and national habits and prejudices. Yeah, a cosmopolitan or a cosmopolitan person, somebody is at home in all countries, in all places. Yeah, we could also use it to say having a worldwide distribution. Yeah, or cosmopolitan, representative of many, many different parts of the world, not just national and local things. So I guess the magazine Cosmopolitan has this name to show that it's showing you fashion from all over the world. It's giving you views and different ideas from many, many different places. Yeah, I guess Paris is one of the world's great cosmopolitan capitals. Yeah, I think the fact London as a very cosmopolitan city is a bit unlike many other parts of the country that are much more insular, much more introspective. Yeah. So yeah, a cosmopolitan culture. I think as time goes on, the culture in the world becomes more and more cosmopolitan. It becomes more a mix of different things and different ideas and different cultures. But well, I think it's good to maintain traditional things, but it's also good to have a mix of new and different things for us. Okay, so formality, cosmopolitan. I'm going to give it a 5.5, 6 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. It's a little bit formal, a little bit literary, but use it in an informal conversation, use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a very formal writing as well. So that makes it easy. Yeah. And then let's see, as to origin, well, it comes from French, which itself comes from Latin, cosmopolites, from ancient Greek cosmopolites, a citizen of the world. Cosmos, the world, and polites, a citizen. So, cosmopolitan, the citizen of the world, not just of one little place, and we are all citizens of the world. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cosmopolitan.